Veer's hands trembled. His screen flashed red. Account balance, $0.00. Another 5,000 vanished. Not from a bad market, but from a worse mindset. He thought trading was easy money. But after another blown account, reality hit. The battle wasn't against the market, it was against himself. Most traders obsess over charts and strategies. But Veer learned the hard truth. Trading is a psychological war zone where only the disciplined survive. Would he become another statistic in the 90% who fail? Or could he transform into the elite 10% who succeed? Just 3 months earlier, Veer had stumbled upon a YouTube video that changed everything. The promise was irresistible. Trading could be his escape from a dead-end job. Anyone can do this, he told his skeptical wife, Mona. I'll be making thousands while sitting on the couch. With a $10,000 deposit, he jumped in head first, convinced that a few tutorials and forum posts had made him an expert. At first, it worked. A couple of lucky trades doubled his money. Confidence turned into arrogance. Then, reality struck. The same trades that once worked now drained his account. Instead of stepping back, he doubled down. And so began a dangerous spiral. Little did he know, the worst was yet to come. As the losses piled up, Veer's world shrank to the 4 walls of his apartment, now resembling a trading war room. Charts covered every surface, multiple screens flickered, and half-empty coffee mugs littered his desk. He thought knowledge would protect him, but emotions took the wheel. The 4 emotional demons haunted him. Greed, pushing bigger trades, risking more than he should. Fear, hesitating and missing great opportunities. Regret, obsessing over past mistakes. Hope, holding on to losing trades, believing they'd recover. What once felt like a calculated pursuit of wealth had become a roller coaster of emotions, each day dictated by wins and losses. Then came the breaking point, a rainy Tuesday morning. Veer stared at his trading account. $15,000 gone. The weight of failure crushed him. His dreams gone, his confidence shattered. That's when he met Arjun, a 15-year trading veteran. You're not failing because you don't understand charts, Arjun said. You're failing because you don't understand yourself. Veer had spent months trying to outsmart the market. But Arjun's words forced him to see the real problem. It wasn't the charts. It was him. Something had to change. This time, Veer approached trading differently. No more blind hope. No more reckless decisions. He built strict rules. Never risk more than 0.5% per trade. No revenge trading. Maintain a detailed trading journal. Emotional check-ins before every session. Arjun had taught him that trading wasn't about winning. It was about executing a plan with discipline. Slowly, he started regaining control. But the real test was still ahead. 6 months later, Veer faced his biggest challenge yet. A trade setup appeared, the same kind that would have destroyed him months ago. His fingers hovered over the keyboard. Doubt whispered in his mind. Was he really ready? Could he trust his system? The ghosts of past failures crept in, urging him to act on impulse. But this time, he didn't. He paused, checked his risk, analyzed the probability. His heart pounded, but he followed his plan. Then, with precise execution, he took the trade, not because of emotions, but because his system confirmed it. As the trade played out, he felt something new. Not fear, not greed, but control. This was the moment he realized. He was no longer the same trader who had blown up his accounts. 1 year later, Veer's life looked different. His trading account wasn't skyrocketing, but it was steady, consistent, and growing. More importantly, he wasn't a prisoner to his emotions anymore. He wasn't chasing wealth. He was mastering his mind. 5 years later, Veer had built a trading school, mentoring others on what he had learned. Trading isn't about predicting the market, it's about mastering yourself. In his office, he watched a young trader nervously place a trade. his hands trembling just like Veer's had years ago. The same hesitation, the same mistakes. He saw himself in the trader's struggle. Veer leaned forward and said, "You're not failing because you don't understand charts. You're failing because you don't understand yourself." The trader looked up, startled, just as Veer had been when Arjun first spoke those words to him. "The market is a mirror," Veer often said. "It doesn't test your strategy, it tests you." And that was the greatest lesson of all. This isn't just Veer's story, it's yours too. Every trader fights these battles. Veer's transformation revealed the hidden forces that dictate success in trading. The mind, the emotions, and the discipline to master both. Through years of painful lessons, Veer realized his biggest enemies weren't in the market. They were inside him. He faced 4 emotional demons that nearly destroyed his career. Greed blinds you with dreams of easy wealth. Fear paralyzes your decision-making. Regret keeps you trapped in the past. Hope makes you cling to bad trades. The risk management blueprint. Never risk more than 0.5% of your account. Set strict stop losses. Treat every trade as a probability game. Accept losses as learning experiences. Mental training, the hidden edge, daily visualization of disciplined trading, emotional check-ins before every session, cognitive reframing to handle losses with logic, journaling to track mindset improvements, performance metrics that matter, consistent emotional control, disciplined risk management, a mindset of continuous improvement. Success in trading isn't about being right. It's about being disciplined, self-aware, and committed to continuous growth. The most successful traders aren't those who predict the market perfectly. They're the ones who predict and control their own reactions. Most traders chase the perfect strategy, but the market reacts to your mindset, not your plan. Will you stay trapped in emotional trading or break free with the discipline that separates winners? Right now, you have a choice. Keep trading the same way, or master the one thing that truly matters: yourself. If you're serious, commit now. Subscribe for elite trading psychology insights. Comment your biggest mental roadblock. Most traders won't make it. Will you?